Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about that you see that some people are fluent in English speaking while others are not. Why this happen? Because you know that when you are reading in a class and teacher is teaching you, teacher is same. There are 50 student or 20 student in a classroom and all are not the same. Some are dullard, some are intelligent. Those who are intelligent can pick the lecture of a teacher very easily, but those who are dullard are not able to understand what the teacher is saying. What is the reason? Perhaps those who are intelligent are doing homework or they are getting some support from their family members. Those are educated, so they are good in classroom. This might be the reason. Or perhaps they are more interested towards their education than others. Those are dullard. The dullard are not doing homework in proper way. They just going to school, pass the time, coming back to home, again in next day going to school, and they are just doing this routine because they don't know perhaps the importance of education, or this thing is in their mind that after a specific age they will go abroad or they will do some kind of work. So they are not paying attention towards education because in their mind I think that this thing is not that after getting education they will get job or they will do some exemplary thing. So they are not doing hard work. And some people are naturally good, intelligent, that they can imbibe the things very easily. Some are naturally dullard and their mind do not work to improve themselves in English learning. But you have seen that there are some kind of students, some are good in English language, some are good in mathematics, some are good in other subjects. So it depends on the quality of your mind, the interest, where there you are interested, you will be good in that subject. In my previous time, I was good in English. One of my friend was good in mathematics. So I was getting support when I was feeling some kind of problems in mathematics. He was getting support from me in English. So it depends on your choice, your interest. I was interested in English language, he was interested in mathematics. So right now I am able to speak English language, he is not able to speak English language. He is still good in mathematics, I am not good in mathematics. So I think that your interest matters a lot. Where there you are interested in, you are good in that thing. Where there you are not interested in, you are not able to get good respect or commands on that thing. So if you are interested to improve English language, then I think that you can improve yourself. If you are not interested to improve yourself, if something else is running in your mind that you will go abroad for some kind of work, then I think that you will not improve yourself. But keep in your mind that importance of English language, that if you do the job, if you don't do the job, if you do any kind of work or if you will run a business, English speaking is necessary for you. This will help you a lot ahead in future. So keep in your mind the importance of English language. Hope you find this video useful. In next video, I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me. I Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.